Right, day 3. Today we're going to just cover slightly different. It's not, to be honest, they're not different. They're just presented differently. So you'll see questions today like this. Oh, didn't want red, wanted black. That's probably about 125 degrees. This one's X degrees. This one's didn't want blue. 97 degrees. And this one's Y degrees. So basically it's exactly the same as like level 1 really, but you've got two angles to find. So we do the first one. Let's do 125 one. So we do 180 take away 125 equals X. So X equals 55 degrees. 180 take away 97 equals Y. So Y equals 83 degrees. So it's actually probably a little bit easier than level 2. But you've just got two things to do. Two things to find, two angles to find. Let's do another one. Right, here's another example. So on the left hand side one, we've got 180 take away 62 equals X. On the right hand side, we've got 180 take away 34 equals Y. Don't forget the degrees. So 180 take away 62 is 118 degrees. And 180 take away 34 is 146 degrees equals Y. So there we go. That's that type of question. So the two questions I want you to do are these two at the bottom. I think we've done everything else. So these two are exactly the same as what I've just introduced. So C3 and C4. So there's two for you to do. And then today I think what I'll do is I'll just leave this whole sheet on for you to try. So I'll give you quite a long time on the videos today for you to explain all your workings, and you can tell me if you get stuck on any of them. I'll just go over them quickly. This one's just a level 1. This one's where you're given 2, you've got to find 1. This means 90 degrees. So just remember that means 90 degrees there. So then you've given 2, so now you've got 1 to find. This one's interesting. 3 angles measure 77, 41 and 52. Do they form a straight line? Explain your answer. So you've got to basically add them up and find out do they equal 180. That one's quite interesting. This one here. You've got 2 straight lines basically, haven't you? So you've got that straight line there, which is a 47 and an X. And then the bottom straight line, is a Y, and you haven't been told this one. But what I think is the case is it's the same. I think you can assume that. Yeah, you can. So X and Y are the same. So once you've found X, you found Y. B2, 4 angles measure 53, 61, 56, 71. Which 3 can be added together to make a straight line? Can't give you much more hints with that one. Find the values of X and Y on B3. Then. No. I think I'm going to have to explain these type of questions. Yes, I am. Woohoo! Bit more teaching for me to do. Right, let me explain these. So what I'm about to explain will cover this one. That one's just a 2 answer straight line one. That one's just a 2 answer straight line one. that one is, that one is, and that one is. So you can do them all. The two starred ones, let me just give you a little bit of a extra bit of help with those two, so I'll do a new page for that. Right, so let me explain these ones. What I said before about the matching might not necessarily be the case, so let's just change this one to, let's say it was, oh my goodness me, that's a fat pen, 52 degrees. So what we do is we work it out straight line at a time. So we're going to work on this straight line first to give us x. So x equals 180 take away 52, which equals 28, 128 even. So we know that one's 128. Yeah, it does work out. Let's work out to what it said. So then we do this blue line. So 128 plus this one, which we'll have to call Z because we've used X and Y, will be the same. So that'll be 52. So if that's 52 degrees, then Y will have to be the 128 degrees. Okay, so if you follow it round line at a time, and that's what's going to happen. So the two 52s will be opposite each other, and the 228s will be opposite each other. Right, so I think that covers it. I think you should be able to do all of these now. So I'll give you 5 minutes on the Flipgrid for your responses, so you can explain all your kind of workings. If you could do me a video rather than just sending me like a video of your page, just talk me through it. Just say like let's say for A, I did 180 take away 121 and got, and tell me what you got. So just talk me through, excuse me, talk me through your workings as well, just because then I can tell at which point you've gone wrong if you've gone wrong. So good luck, and I will speak to you later on.